HCPCS Level 2 or 2 JJ-HCA Procedures, page 005, Part 3.
Level 2 of the HCPCS is a standardized coding system that is used primarily to identify products, supplies, and services not included in the CPT codes.
This is important because the CPT code is mainly for procedures, but the HCPCS is mainly for products or supplies and services that are not included in the CPT codes, okay? That's a level 2. Okay, let's continue. HCPCS deals with ambulance services and durable medical equipment, prosthetics, orthotics, and supplies, which in acronym is DMEPOS, and when they are used outside a physician's office.
Because Medicare and other insurers cover a variety of services, supplies, and equipment that are not identified by CPT codes, the Level 2 of the HCPCS began in the 1980s.
Right, as a way of standardization, so everybody can talk the same language, okay? Because for the procedures, we have the CPT codes, but things that are outside those procedures, there was no way to standardize it, and that's why they started the HCPCS in 1980s. Well, let's continue. Level 2 codes are also referred to as alphanumeric codes because they consist of a single alphabetical letter followed by 4 numeric digits. Well, CPT codes are identified using 5 numeric digits. Can you write an example of a HCPCS code just after that? Anyone?
All right. Here.
Okay. And that is it's a cane, right? A cane. And includes canes of all materials, adjustable or fixed, right? So this is, for instance, a cane is an instrument, right?
Yes.
And the HCPCS code is E0100. And now let's compare it with the CPT code. Give me the code for, let's see. Colostomy, which is 44320. 44320 is a colostomy, right? So the second one is just numbers, right? Can you point here? So this is just number. That's a CPT code that is just numbers. It starts with 44320. As a colostomy is a procedure to open an orifice in the colon. So that is a procedure. It's done by a doctor. So that's why you use the CPT codes or the HCPCS level 1. And now the previous one that we just saw, it is not a procedure, but it's a supply. It's a material. It's something that is used. It's a cane, right? And that's why it starts with an E, which is alpha, and then you have 4 more numbers digits. Okay, so that's the difference. Thank you. Now let's do the problem. So ready, set, go. Okay, this is a HCPCS JJ-HCA, page 602, exercise 3. And it reads like this.
Nasal cannula.
Nasal cannula, right?
All right, I'm sorry.
Nasal cannula. Cannula, yeah, nasal cannula. And we're going to count to 3, so you can give us the code for this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, the answer is A4615. A4615. If you got that answer, congratulations, you can go to the next one. If you didn't get it, let's just give you a tip. You start with
Cannula.
Cannula, thank you. And what is that? Just so you understand what we're talking about, that is that what do you call
That is
it? Device, right?
That's the device that you use for oxygen.
Right. And it attaches to the nose of the patient. Okay. So once you know what we're dealing with, it will be easier for you to find it. So show us the path and to the answer A4615. Okay. So we're gonna count to 3, so you can show us the path. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Nasal cannula is the problem. This is the whole summary of the problem. There's only one code, and the code 1 through the index is found like this.
First you go to index.
Index.
Then you go to cannula.
Cannula.
Then you go to nasal.
Nasal.
Then you get 84615.
84615 or 15, right?
Yeah.
And I'm going to check this code in the tabular. So the code 1 through the tabular is found like this.
First you go to tabular.
Go to tabular.
Then you go to 84615.
Which reads
cannula,
comma,
nasal.
Nasal. Exactly what we need. That's why there is an equal sign there. And the answer is A4615. Okay? So thank you for watching. Please visit our website.